Hello, here in this video you will learn to download Apex Legends in Android. So without delaying, let's begin. So first of all you need to download VPN. For this Apex Legends I will be using Power VPN. Go to Play Store and download it. Once you have downloaded, check for the APK. Here you can see Power VPN. Now just you need to go in Power VPN. Now here you need to choose the server of Singapore because it is the server where the game can be played. Here I will be choosing lowest ping. Now let me choose this. I have chosen. Now just press on it. It may show ads. You can just skip this ad. Now minimize it. Make sure it's running, and now you need to go to Play Store. Before opening Play Store you need to clear the cache file. Go to double app info, and here you can see storage usage. Now we will clear the cache. We have to clear the cache. Now we need to make new account, so we will be able to download the game. Go to Play Store. Now choose the icon. You need to choose the icon. Just wait. Here you need to make a new account. Just click on the drop down and wait. Now here you need to press on add new account. Then you need to verify it. Just wait. Verify your credentials. It will ask you fingerprint or password. Just enter it. Once you have created the Gmail account, you can log in to that account, and here you can search Apex Legends. Now just search it. Here you can see it's now available. You can install it. Just press on that. Here you will see two options. Now you can choose it. I will be choosing download now. Here you can see now it has crashed. As you can see, this is the first error I was getting, but it can be fixed by reopening it once again and again. Now you can see it has started to download. Now it will take time according to your speed of the internet. Download the game. Now I will be able to play it, but before playing it I will turn on the VPN. Now I will choose Singapore as region. Now press on that and it will start connecting. Just wait for it. Once it's connected, minimize it. And now let's begin playing Apex Legends game. It will show error, but you don't need to worry. Once again, here the files will be verified. Wait for a while, it will be verified. Here you can see our files has been verified. Now just give the permission. The game has started to run, but wait for a while, it will show license invalid. Here you can see license invalid. Now you don't need to worry, you need to minimize it and open it once again. Now the game will start running like charm. Now you can enjoy the gameplay. Have a good day. Bye.